Achiel kachiel nyaka Kaonti mano ma Migori kama bende wedo kanyo ne kalure kod barua mano ma bende ne oor ne jotijego mago mag Kaonti ma Migori mar mondo mine dargi e LAP fund kendo oketgi kata ondikgi e County Pension Fund CPF. Jotijego ka otelnegi kod jakom margi obedo kod winjruok ni sani to koro ok bi dargi e LAP fund.
We've agreed that nobody will be forced to migrate from another scheme to the other unless consulted. And I want to remind our members that when they were joining these schemes, you signed a contract with a given scheme. When you are leaving that scheme, you will also sign a contract with that scheme. Nobody will force you to join another scheme without your consent.
We've agreed that that memo that was issued with the county secretary be stayed for some time because members were not properly consulted. Workers have a lot of issues with that memo because most of the members, all the contributors, feel that their contributions might go into waste. As a union, our main agenda is to safeguard the interests of our members. This issue of pension, you see, is the right of an employee to belong to the pension that he or she chooses. Someone cannot come and choose for you a pension plan. Of course, we have the legal way. We may go the legal way because we also have our bigger office in Nairobi, the County Government Workers Union office in Nairobi. We have consulted our General Secretary over the same. He is also closely following up on this matter. And as we are progressing, we are also seeing all options and all mechanisms as we go forward.